Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get discount code for Alaska Airlines. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, on your mobile device or PC or laptop, open up any web browser, head on over to Google and then type in discount code for Alaskan Airlines. Alright, as you can see, these are the results here, discount codes for Alaskan Airlines. So I've got a few different options. I've got coupon follow, real tell me not, and even Reddit. So you can check out Reddit for discount codes as well, or don't pay full. So for this one, I'm going to use don't pay full Alaska Airline discount codes. So as you can see, I've got $150 off fares, $5 off specific flights, 30% off orders. So to activate any of these codes, just simply go ahead and click into that code. And now from here, what I want to do is copy this code and then go back to Alaska Airlines at the checkout section and look for a section where it says enter promo or discount code, paste that in, and then that will activate 30% off your order.